Finally arrived in Hanoi, and it is definitely very different than everywhere else that I've been. Very loud, and it's just very different. We didn't get to see much of the city because it is very dark and it's very rainy. There's a lot of thunder and lightning and rain. So I'm just going to show you the hotel room really quick. This room is about $60 US. The outside does not look good. We'll have to see. The inside is nice. I opted for the apartment because washer and dryer and we get to cook and stuff like that. But this is the living room area. I originally did a studio, but after thinking about it, I decided to go for the suite. The bathroom, which smells really bad. I don't know why it smells bad in here, but it does. There's a tub, shower, a toilet with a tilted seat. I think that's a Japanese toilet. Don't know, but the light doesn't seem to be working either. Hot water, whatever. Living room. This is a 2-bedroom one. There was no 1-bedroom option open, so I just grabbed the 2-bedroom one. It's right around the same price. There's a huge kitchen in here, gigantic. 2 bedrooms and a balcony. Again, I paid extra for the balcony, but if I had known the area we're in was going to look like this, I probably wouldn't have bothered. I decided to stay near the old quarter or old section of the city because that's where a lot of the fun stuff is. And once again, this is the washer and this is the dryer. I can't seem to find a place with an actual dryer. There is a washer. Hopefully it'll stop raining and I can wash and then dry some clothes. But once it gets settled in, we're gonna go get some pho and look around the city and go from there, and that's it.